the shingle that we're going to go ahead and replace with the repaired shingle here for the repair. These are the nails that we're using. 6 on each layer, hammer, and then our good old roofing snake. As you can see, I've been instructed to come out and do a repair. There's a crease in the shingle here. What we're gonna have to do to remove the shingle, the way it's installed, just like as you can see here, there's a first layer, as I was saying, 6 nails going here, and then the second layer is another 6 nails. So that first layer is sitting under this adhesive strip, and that second nail is second nail line is sitting under this adhesive strip. So what we're gonna have to do is with this roofing snake, get up under these shingles, turn the adhesive strip. First layer is done. So now, because we have to remove these 1, 2, and 3. Very brittle. Adhesive strip is barely intact, and they're very stiff and brittle. They're still looking pretty good. Alright, so now we're exactly where we want to be at. Last 2. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the nails that hold the shingle down. And that's exactly why we needed to do that to those shingles, surrounding shingles. You have to locate where that nail head is. Go ahead and remove those nails. Also see evidence of nail pulls, which is never a good sign. first set is out of there. Okay. As you can see, I'm moving on to that second layer there. Tear formed here, showing how brittle the roof is. Two. There's a small crease forming. I can definitely see that there's already some cracks in the roof. All right, and that was there. You can also see these shingles aren't even being touched by the repair, and they also have cracks. But we're not focused on those cracks. What we're looking at is this crease that's starting to slowly form as we're definitely get this one here as we're starting to install the shingle. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and place this shingle. Make sure it's nice, flush, up to code. Make sure that this bad boy is installed. Okay. This is a Duration Series shingle from Owens Corning. Okay. cracks on the first row. It's a bite. So it's gonna be kind of cloudy out, but once it actually the sun's hitting, it's gonna be self-adhesive as well. Take that real quick. And as you guys can see, like we were already talking about earlier in the video, there's a nice crease that formed over time as we were attempting that repair, as instructed. You guys can see. Okay, that's showing that this roof is unrepairable. Because we are not going to be bringing this roof to pre-storm condition. You can even see that tear there, called out earlier. Okay, that's due to the repair. That being said, just on this right slope, we have not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, maybe double counted one, but 21, okay? 21 different areas that we have to repair to bring this back up to pre-storm condition, okay? And we definitely don't think that's gonna happen with the attempt repair that we just documented right there for you guys. So we're more than willing to provide any other documentation you guys might need. But this is just the right slope of the roof that we found 20 indications, okay? As we came up here to do the attempt repair. There has been mitigation on this roof before, so the homeowner is not negligent, and they are definitely doing what they can to keep this in pre-storm condition. But as you guys can see, there's been also repairs attempted in the past before, and you guys definitely see that that is not brought to pre-storm condition. So we'll be sending over these documentations, the videos, the photos that we have on file. Looking forward to speaking with you guys soon.